March has been a particularly active month in search, with significant ranking volatility, multiple Google updates, and continued growth in AI-led search. Here's what it means for your business and how we're responding. If you've noticed changes in rankings or traffic this month, you're not alone. This month has seen widespread ranking volatility alongside two major Google updates. The March spam update focused on sites that breach Google's spam guidelines, while the core update is part of Google's ongoing effort to refine how it ranks content overall. When updates like these roll out, it's completely normal to see fluctuations in rankings, traffic, and keyword positions. In most cases, performance stabilizes once the updates have fully rolled out. We're closely monitoring ranking data to distinguish temporary movement from meaningful change. We're reviewing key landing pages to ensure search intent and keyword targeting remain clear, and continuing technical and on-page improvements so everything aligns with Google's best practice. We're also reinforcing experience, expertise, authority, and trust so your website remains in the strongest possible position when rankings settle. Next, Google has released new guidance and resources focused on AI-led commerce, crawling, and business profiles. Google is continuing to evolve how it connects content, products, and business information, particularly as AI becomes more integrated into search. The introduction of the Universal Commerce Protocol points towards more connected, AI-driven shopping experiences, while updated crawling guidance reinforces how important accessibility and technical structure remain. At the same time, new Google Business Profile guidance highlights the growing importance of accurate, well-managed local presence. So while this isn't a radical shift, it's a clear signal that strong foundations are more important than ever. You can find links to these resources in the report text. We're continuing to strengthen these core areas across your website and wider presence. That includes refining Google Business Profile optimization, reviewing Merchant Center configurations where relevant, and ensuring crawlability and indexation are fully aligned with best practice. We're also reviewing local SEO signals and profile accuracy to make sure your business information is complete and consistent. As search behavior continues to evolve, it is vital to manage how your brand is presented, not only in Google's traditional results, but also across AI-powered search platforms and assistants. Platforms like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Perplexity are shaping how users discover and evaluate brands. Instead of relying on a single website, they build an understanding of your business from multiple sources, including your website, directory listings, third-party mentions, and profile data. If your information is inconsistent or incomplete, it can impact how your business is represented in both search and AI results. That's why defensive SEO matters. It's about protecting how your brand is understood, not just how it ranks. We're continuing to strengthen your brand presence across the web. This includes improving consistency across directories and citations, enhancing trusted third-party profiles, and ensuring your services are clearly understood by both search engines and AI platforms. We're also actively monitoring how your brand is represented online so we can identify and address any gaps. By taking a proactive approach and adapting to these changes, we're making sure your business stays visible and competitive. Get in touch with your account manager today to discuss how our strategy continues to evolve.